Hey, it's Arie here. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. In this video specifically, I want to show you how to promote Easy1Up as a brand new affiliate, right? So I'm very excited to get into this video. If you are in Easy1Up already, or maybe you are someone who is looking into this program and you're like, well, should I get involved in this? And can I get results if I decide to join this exact program, right? So very excited to get into this video. I'm going to reveal exactly how you can promote Easy1Up as a brand new affiliate. If you are someone who is, if you have some results right now and you're looking for more ways to get results, or maybe you're completely brand new, you haven't made any sales yet, and you're like, well, how do I get started with promoting this exact program, right? So I'm going to reveal all of that in this video, but before we dive in, if you like videos about affiliate marketing, growing an online business, or creating passive income online, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below this video, and this will be notified whenever there is a brand new video on the channel. So as you can see right here, I'm always putting up videos about how to grow your affiliate marketing business and how to create passive income online. That's what I love to talk about in these videos. And so if you enjoy these videos, consider subscribing, and this way you'll never miss out on anything brand new. Right now, I've got a really cool bonus at the end of this video that I'm going to reveal to you, that if you are someone who's completely brand new and you haven't really had much results yet, is going to be very beneficial for you. It's going to be a free funnel that you can get access to that will allow you to not only promote Easy1Up much easier, but it'll also allow you to tap into multiple income streams as well. So I'm going to talk about that a little bit more towards the end of this video, so be sure to stay around for that. But let's actually get right into it right now. When you're, of course, promoting Easy1Up, the very first thing that I want to go over real quick is I want to talk a little bit about the compensation plan and how it all works, right? So if you're on this video right now and you have been in Easy1Up for a while, you probably already have a decent understanding on how it works. But in case if you're someone who's completely brand new and you're like, well, how does it all work? Then I'll, of course, explain that, right? So Easy1Up right here has product packages ranging anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000, right? So you could, in this case, with Easy1Up, this is one of the few programs out there that pays out full 100% commissions, right? So when you make a sale inside of Easy1Up, you can get paid commissions from anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000 with just one sale, right? So if you can make, let's say, for example, 1 or 2 sales every single month at the $2,000 level, that right there, I know for most people would be a really great starting point. Wouldn't you agree? Right? So if you can make, an extra $2,000 or $4,000 a month with, just, a few sales alone, would that make a difference in your life? Really be interested to, of course, hear that right there. I know for a lot of people, this would be a really great starting point, right? So that's why that's another reason why I'm so excited for this video right here. But anyways, yeah, so you can get paid anywhere from $25 to $2,000 with one single sale. Another benefit here is it pays out full 100% commissions, so there is no, get like 30% of this or anything along those lines. And the commissions are also paid out instantly, right? So it's instant commissions, which is, of course, another win-win for you as an affiliate, right? So that is what I want to go over right there. Now, when you make your first sale with Easy1Up at the level that you come in at, that sale goes 100% to you, right? So that goes straight to you as the affiliate. Now the second sale that you make at the level you come in at will go to your sponsor, right? So that is where the second sale goes, and then from that point forward, every single sale that you make goes 100% to you. Pretty much then on and then forth. And what really makes this very powerful in the long term is when you start getting a bunch of members and you help them, of course, replicate your results as well. The second sale that they make at the level that they came in at goes straight to you, right? So you actually get rewarded for helping your members to get results as well. So for example, if you refer someone at the $2,000 level, they decide to invest $2,000, they join under you, and you, of course, help them, get up and running, and, you help them get some sales. The second sale that they make at $2,000 goes straight to you, right? So that's what's really cool about this exact program. Now that's pretty much, I'd say, the main gist of how the affiliate program works. But with all that out of the way, I want to get into exactly how you can promote this as an affiliate, right? So the very first thing that you, of course, need to have in order to, of course, market Easy1Up or any program for that matter, well, and get those long-term results, is you want to have access to a marketing system that will promote and that will do the explaining for you, right? Now, a marketing system consists of a few different steps. You have the very first step, which is known as a capture page. So this right here is a simple page that, has a headline at the top that says, would you like to learn how to get X result by doing, this simple trick? Or would you like to learn how to make X amount with this, simple system? If so, enter your email down below here. and this will, then in that case, you'll get instant access to your email. So when someone enters the email right here, they will get put on to the email list, and this is where you can, of course, follow up with them down the road, which I'll talk more about, in a little bit here. But when they enter their email, they get taken to the next step in the funnel, which would be known as the bridge page, or also known as the thank you page. And right here, what you could do is you could either do this in written form or in video, where you explain exactly what you're all about, how the program is, of course, helped you, how it could, ideally help them, and then you want to give a call to action at the end for them to check out the main program, by clicking the button down below, right? So you give some sort of call to action, and then from there, when they click on that button, they get taken to the main program where they get decide to enroll in one of the product packages, right? So right here, when you have a video or some sort of written form here, this is a great way to, of course, pre-frame people, and it makes you stand out from everyone else. Right now, if you are watching this video right now and you're like, well, how exactly do I, of course, build this all out? You could either use a software like Kartra or ClickFunnels, and these are two sales funnel builders that you could, of course, use this to build really nice sales funnels. Otherwise, if you're someone who's completely brand new and you're like, well, I don't really feel like building out anything myself, or you're like, well, how do I of course, build this out, and how do I know that it'll convert? In that case, you could always check out the what I'm gonna show you at the end of this video, which is a really cool bonus that you could use, which is a pre-built funnel that is, of course, done for you, right? So you could simply tap into that if you want to, and this pretty much has all of the main components that I just went over right here. So it has a pre-built capture page, a sales video. It goes over exactly what the program is all about, and it even has different follow-up emails that go out on your behalf. And whenever someone goes through it, even if they don't buy right then there in the front end, you have these follow-up emails pretty much doing the explaining for them, getting your people back on the offer, and whenever they decide to buy into Easy1Up or any other program that it recommends, you will get credited for that sale as well. So that's pretty exciting. I'm going to talk about a little bit more about that towards the end of this video. But once you have a marketing system in place, then your next step really comes down to getting traffic over to the funnel, right? So you have this amazing funnel set up, you have this really great system, but ideally what you want to do now is you want to send visitors over to your capture page link, right? And this is really the most important thing. If you aren't doing this on a consistent basis, then it's kind of like having a business in the middle of nowhere, right? So you could have the absolute best product in the world, but if you aren't getting people to, of course, go through your funnel and take action, well, then you aren't really making that much money in the long term, right? So this is where you want to have, traffic coming in, and I want to show you a few different ways on how you could, of course, drive traffic to your funnel, right? So you could use a site known as Udemy.com, and this is a very popular marketplace that you could go to get something known as solo ad traffic. And essentially how this traffic works is you can go to any of these vendors right here. For example, I can click on this Frank guy right here. In this case, I could buy anywhere from, check this out, 200 visitors all the way up to 1,000 visitors. And these, clicks would be delivered within 24 hours. That's really the benefit with this exact type of traffic right here. So all you would really need to do is select the amount of clicks you want. For example, you could start with 200. You would simply put in the link to your capture page right here. And then in this case, it would only cost you about, $121. So it's pretty inexpensive traffic that you're getting. You just add to cart, complete the transaction, and then those clicks will be delivered to your link within 24 hours, right? So they would send out an email to their list to like a portion of their list, and then they will, of course, go through and see the exact offer. And ideally, the whole idea is, the more eyeballs that you get, going through your funnel, then that ideally it means, more potential sales for the long term, right? So you want to have a consistent flow of traffic coming in, and by doing this consistently, you're going to have a lot more sales coming in for the long term, right? So solo ads is one method that you could use. One thing that I want to mention real quick is ideally you want to look through the reviews that they're getting. So if you see a lot of people saying that they have, gotten sales, this is ideally a good thing to look for. Great solo, good delivery. This guy is saying that he got sales. Great solo, great delivery, thank you. So that's pretty cool as well. So ideally, the more positive ratings that you could find for a seller, then that is ideally, something to look out for as well. One other traffic source that you could use is you could use a traffic source known as Ringless voicemails. So there's a site here called ringlessaln.com, and the site actually has a very similar structure to Easy1Up actually, which is I think pretty interesting. So I guess it's kind of modeled off of the site. But you can go to the site right here. You could buy into any of these packages right here. And this is another way that you can get lots of very quick traffic, usually delivered within 24 hours. For example, if you buy into level 1 package right here, you pay a $150 one-time fee, $75 to sponsor, and then $75 to admin. This will give you up to 1,500 drops, and you could even promote with this as an affiliate if you want to do that, right? So this is another really great method you of course use, and I've heard lots of members having great results with this. Or if you're someone who for example, you don't have money to invest into paid traffic, you could even use a traffic source like Facebook, right? So you could use any sort of social media out there. And with Facebook in particular, what you could do is you can go on here and you could look for groups that are inside of your niche, right? So, if you are promoting something in the make money online or business niche, you could simply just go on here and then search up, online business opportunities, right? So you just search this up right here. And for example, here's a group right here that has about 200,000 members. You could simply join this group right here. And these are all people that want to learn how to grow an online business or how to make money on the internet. You can either create posts in here, share some value that you've of course learned. You could build up connections one-on-one. You could have people, reach out to you for more information on, what you might consider offering. Or what you could even do is you can go in here, you can click on the little names right up here, and then this will bring up a list of members that have joined the group, right? So what I recommend here is what you could do is you can look through this section right here that says new to the group, and these are people that just recently expressed interest in wanting to learn how to make money online, right? So these right here is really great traffic that you of course get. And what I'd recommend is, of course, reach out to people that are kind of, in the top tier countries. You don't want to reach out to people that are in for example, Nigeria, for example, because they might not have money to invest in the actual program, right? Nothing against people in that country, by the way. Just, if you want to ideally target people that have the funds to, of course, invest in whatever program that you're, of course, recommending, right? So that's just one important thing that I want to mention there. So I would go for people that are in English-speaking countries. You could simply add them as a friend. And then when you create a new post on your Facebook profile, then any of these new people will, of course, get notified. You can, share value on your profile consistently. And then when you give a call to action for them to reach out to you, then this is a great way to get them reaching out to you, want to learn more about what you have to offer, right? So there are plenty of ways you could use to drive traffic to your funnel, but this is pretty much the entire process that you want to have in place in order to really get those long-term results. And by the way, if you aren't in Easy1Up already, and you want to learn more about how to really get those long-term results, you can simply check out the link down below to, of course, find out the exact system that I'm leveraging right here. So there is a new system by the name of VIP system, and this is created by one of the members known as LJ Aviles. So this guy is looks like he's a wrestling fan, which is pretty cool. Haven't watched that in a while, by the way. But anyway, so he created this system to, of course, help members inside of Easy1Up to, of course, get results. And what's really cool about the system right here is this pays you through, check this out, 12 income streams, right? So not only can you make, sales with Easy1Up by leveraging this, but you could even make sales from other income streams as well if you, want to do that as well, right? So that's exactly what this system has to offer. And if you want to check it out, there's going to be a link down below where you can, of course, check out this this program. And when you decide to, of course, go through this, through my link down below, and you decide to enroll in Easy1Up if you're not already in that, I give you access to a few bonuses. So the very first bonus that you're going to get access to is you're going to get access to the YouTube selling system, right? So if you ever want to learn how to use YouTube traffic to, of course, get sales online, then that is exactly what this is going to go over right here. In fact, YouTube is the exact strategy that I used to get my first breakthrough online, and this is a really great, very powerful traffic source you can, of course, use right here. The next bonus that you're going to get is you're going to get access to Facebook ads. So, for example, if YouTube isn't, what you want to focus on, if you don't feel like getting on camera, you could always use another traffic source like Facebook ads. And that is exactly what this goes over right here. Now, Facebook ads can be a very powerful method to get high quality traffic if you know how to do it right. The problem with Facebook ads is that they can be a bit strict. And if you say the wrong thing or you have your ad set up in the wrong way, you can get your account shut down or they can disapprove your ads, which is never fun for the long term. So this bonus right here goes over how to use Facebook ads without ever having to worry about getting banned, right? So next bonus is the massive traffic formula. If you want to learn how to use solo ads, in detail, that's exactly what this bonus is going to go over. Exactly how to maximize your results with solo ads. The next bonus is the massive ManyChat profits. So ManyChat is basically like Facebook Messenger, but it shows you a really cool way on how to automate it, which is pretty nice. Next bonus is the ultimate Facebook chat mastery. So if you are using the strategy of for example, reaching out to people one-on-one, building up personal connections, this bonus would be very beneficial for you if you want to learn how to actually get people to want to buy whatever it is that you're recommending. And that is what this bonus is really great for. Bonus number 7, you're going to get access to email swipes, as well as hypnotic storytelling, the most important ingredient for success in the long term, and of course, how to create a crystal clear vision for your future, right? So if you want to really learn how to really maximize your results with the Easy1Up, and you want to get you the most results possible, check out the link down below. Go through the exact system that I'm leveraging right here. And when you decide to enroll in Easy1Up through the link down below, you're going to get access to these bonuses to really help you maximize, really get the most results possible, right? But anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and take care.